Click on the plus icon. Now enter your app name. In the next step, select your business type. Choose an app template that you like. Click on Add Page. Enter your page name. Now click on Navigation. Then drag and drop grid navigation on app screen. Finally, drag and drop pages here on the right side. Add as many pages as you like. Scroll down to adjust the number of columns you want in your grid. Click on Page to change the icon, and then, here at top to select a new icon. Click on Vertical, and then on Style to change the background color. You can also click on Grid, and then on Label to select text color. Now, your grid navigation is ready.